Hey guys, it's Ray Meyer and we're out here in Seguin, Texas. We're here at the Perry Homes community. It's called The Meadows at Mill Creek, and we're here to show you what $460,000 will get you in this area. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is another Perry home, which if you haven't heard from our other videos, this is one of our favorite builders. So you can tell from the outside of the home, this is what they call a mid-century modern exterior finish. So it honors the mid-century style homes in the front. Walking in, we're gonna have the front office. You have the dual doors, high ceilings, big windows, and we absolutely love the mid-century finish and look. You can actually get the same floor plan with a different front end, but we prefer the mid-century, and they only build it in select communities, so reach out to us if you're interested. Moving on through the main part of the house, or the middle of the hallway, is our first guest bedroom setup. This one actually has a private bathroom, so great for in-laws, parents that live with you, or teenagers to have their own private space. It's a nice little segmented area. And it also has a walk-in closet through the bathroom, which plenty of storage space. Coming back through, one thing I forgot to mention was just the closet, extra storage space here. You'll notice that this hallway is catch this hallway, it's very wide. We love spacious hallways. Moving to this area, this is access to the garage. You have your mud room here with kind of a built-in, shoe rack and coat rack area. And just to take a look real quick in the garage. So all the garages are finished, and they have the tankless water heaters here too. And then also are pre-plumbed for a water softener. It's been a long day and it's hot in there. So now this is the real main living area. And moving on through here, you can see the kitchen and the dining and the living room all flow together. We love the white quartz countertops, and we love how this extra space for whatever you want. You can line up a buffet meal, you can line up whatever you want or decorate it. We love the counter space here. The pantry always has a lot of room in the Perry homes, so that's a great feature. And then this one is finished with the tall windows. Let's go take a sneak peek back here real quick. Oh, here we go. So covered patio, real good size. Decent sized backyard. Some of the lots will have lot premiums if you want a bigger one, but this one, I mean, you can still kind of fit like a lap pool. You can get creative and do some other things back here, but plenty of space for barbecuing. You got your electrical outlet here, and it's pre-wired for wasp nest, and then also it's pre-wired for a ceiling fan. Okay, so we'll catch the primary suite here. It's in the back side of the house. You can see here great size rooms, and then one of the best features of the house is the primary bathroom suite. So if you want to start moving into there, you can see the main entrance walks you right into the bathtub, and then also you have his and her closets, I believe. So that's probably his because it's smaller, and then this is hers because it has more features and it's larger. And then you also have the shower setup, and then also the dual sinks, and we love that. So that's your bathroom area, and then linen closet. So beautiful master primary suite. Moving on, so the total bedroom count in this house is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and across from the kitchen, we kind of passed this walking in, but these are where the other bedrooms are, and then also the laundry room here. So good size there. Another good sized guest bedroom. This one doesn't have the private bathroom, but it does have a decent sized closet. You can see it kind of goes in from to the left. And then you'll find the other full guest bathroom here. So this is our third bathroom that we're seeing. And then lastly, the last guest bedroom. Okay, so that pretty much sums up the tour of this particular model. So if I'm summing this one up, this is Perry creates their models off of the square footage of the home. So this one's their 2504 model, and then they also price it with the front exterior elevation. This one in particular is the mid-century modern. You can only find this in less than a handful of communities around San Antonio. Right now, this one's in Seguin, Texas. This is probably the lowest price Perry home community, one of the lowest prices that we come across. And so this one is actually starting at $463,000 before upgrades. I think they give away really good deals right now. So if you want to know what that looks like, reach out to us. The home that we walked you through, this obviously isn't the model home. This is one of their inventory homes. And just to let you guys know, at the time of this video, we're able to get roughly $100,000 off on this particular model. This is the home that our clients are buying. But we want to let you know that there's other, inventory homes that are available here that they're discounting massively. So if you're interested in what that looks like, Seguin's a great community, up and coming. So reach out to us. Our contact information is on the screen and the description box below. And we look forward to seeing you on our next home tour.